I grew up in Italy, and on Sunday we ate lasagna. It is so easy and so worth it to make lasagna pasta sheets. All what you need is to knead the flour with eggs, adding a bit of salt and water as needed. Often it is not even needed. It all depends on the temperature and humidity. Let's start by adding 3 eggs to 300 grams of flour and a pinch of salt. Mix it initially with a fork and then knead for 10 minutes. You can knead it manually or with a mixer. The dough will be very sticky at first, but as you knead it, it will become more elastic. Let it rest for 30 minutes to allow the gluten to relax, and then it is time to pass it through the pasta machine. Roll one setting at a time until you reach the desired thickness. I normally roll it till level 6 out of 7 in my machine. It will be thin enough but not see-through. Cut the pasta to the desired length, and dust with flour just a bit to avoid the different layers to stick to each other. You can now add your sauce and cheese and your lasagna are ready. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see my bolognese sauce recipe that I use for my Sunday lasagna. Enjoy cooking!